Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix non-tradable symbol in TradingView. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you encounter a non-tradable symbol message while attempting to trade on TradingView, the solution typically involves selecting the correct tradable symbol. This issue often arises when you try to trade a symbol that isn't supported by your broker, such as ONDA. To resolve this, first ensure that you have selected the correct symbol for trading. For ONDA users, it's essential to choose the correct pairs by using the order-specific symbols in the search function in the symbol search. You may see options for different markets and pairs. Make sure to select those associated with ONDA. Additionally, enabling the option to show only tradable markets can help you filter out non-tradable symbols. To do this, access the symbol search interface and look for a checkbox or filter option labels. Something like Show Tradable Markets or Show Only Symbols Tradable with your broker. Enable this feature to display only the symbols you can trade with under. Once you have this option activated, browse through the available symbols and select the appropriate one for your trade. This action should prevent the non-tradable symbol message from appearing, as you will be choosing from a list of valid tradable symbols. In summary, the key to fixing the non-tradable symbol issue is to ensure you select the correct supported symbols by using the appropriate search filters and options in TradingView. By doing so, you align your trades with what your broker supports, avoiding errors and enabling successful trading. So that's basically how you can fix non-tradable symbol in TradingView. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.